Do you want to change your iPhone auto lock time so that your iPhone screen will not lock as quick as possible? Then this video is going to walk you through how to change auto lock time in iPhone. So this works on all iOS devices and all operating system you are using. Whether you're using iOS 17 or iOS 18, this is going to work on your phone. So if you found this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to change auto lock time in iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings page, scroll down the page and then locate and click on display and brightness. Once you clicked on that, scroll down until you get to auto lock. So this is where you can easily change your auto lock time. So once you can find auto lock, go ahead and click on that. Here you can change the auto lock time from 30 seconds to 1 minute to 2 minutes to 3 minutes to 4 minutes to 5 minutes, or set your auto lock time to never so that your iPhone screen will never go off. Now it's advisable if you want to keep your battery at minimum rate to choose between 1 minute and 3 minutes, so that if you leave your phone for 2 minutes, the screen will be active until after 2 minutes the screen will be disabled and then turned off. So just go to auto lock time and choose the time frame you want to set. So that is basically how to change auto lock time in iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.